Good morning everyone. Welcome back to your SS online class. So children, yesterday I had taken your test and I hope you all have done your test with the honesty. So today first we are going to discuss about the test. You can check your answer whether it is correct or not. Then we will do the revision. Okay. So first check, all of you take out your studies test and I am going to check your give you the answer of that class test. Okay. So all of you, let's do. The first question is, clause are not important. So children, clause are very important for us. We all know that. So clause are important. So this one is no. Okay, no, no. Next, we get wool from loin. No, we get wool from where we get the wool? We get wool from sheep. So this is also no. Next, uniform make us look smart. Yes, uniform makes us look smart. So this is yes. Next, sport, I play loud music. No, this is very bad habit. You have to listen the music in a low volume, so that is not affect your ears. So I play loud music. No. I help my neighbor. Yes, that is a good habit to help any neighbor. So help the neighbor is a good habit. Next, the sun is a star. Yes, the sun is a star. 7. There is no life on the moon. Yes, there is no life on the moon because we know the moon does not have any air or water. So it is unable for living beings to survive on the moon. Next, 8. The moon has its own light. No. The moon does not have its own light. It takes the light from the reflection of the sun. So your answer are first no, second no, third yes, fourth no, fifth yes, sixth yes, seventh yes and eighth no. So these are the answers. So take the number according to your answers. If they are all correct, then you get the full mark, and if they are wrong, then give according to it. So let's start our today's class. Today we are going to do the revision. So I will send the document of it. If you want to check later, then check it later. Okay. So let's start our today class. So we have to do the revision work, RW. In the revision work today we are going to do name it. Name it. So let's start. Okay. First question. Our money is safe here. So this is our first question. Our money is safe here. The first question is our money is safe here. Next, we see doctor here. Second, we see doctor here. So the next is we see the doctor here. Next, he repairs our tap. Third question, he repairs our taps. Okay, so next question is he repair our taps. Next, he grow food for us. He grows food for us. He grow food for us. Next question. Fifth, ships sails on. Ships sail on. Dash. Next, 6. I help people to send email. Send email. I help people to send email. 1 minute. Six. I help people to send email. So children, I am not giving you many questions so that you can face the problem, but 6 or 7 or 8 question you can do easily. So please do the revision very carefully. Okay. Next question. They brings rain. They brings rain. Next, they twinkle in the sky. They twinkle in the sky. 8. So only 8 questions are there. Let's do the answer. Our money is safe here. Where we have keeping the money so that our money is safe? In the bank. Our money is safe here. Bank. Next, we see doctor here. Where we see the doctor? We see the doctor in hospital. Hospital. We see the doctor in the hospital. Next, he repair our taps. Who repairs our taps? Plumber. Right? Plumber. So the plumber repairs our taps. Next, he grow food for us. Who grow food for us? Farmer. Next, ships sail on. Ships sail on water. Next, I help people to send email. I help people to send email. So that is on computer. Next, they brings rain. Who brings rain? Cloud or sky? Clouds. Next, they twinkle in the sky. Who twinkle in the sky? The stars. So, Once again, our money is safe here. Where we kept the money for safe? It is in the bank. B-A-N-K, bank. Next, we see doctor here. Where we see the doctor? In the hospital. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Next, he repairs our taps. Who repairs our taps? Plumber. P-L-U-M-B-E-R, plumber. Next, he grows food for us. Who grow food for us? Farmer. F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. Next, ships sail on dash. Ships sail on the water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Next, I help people to send email. Who help people to send the email? Computer. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R. Next, they brings rain. Who brings rain? Cloud. C-L-O-U-D-S. Next, they twinkle in the sky. Star. S-T-A-R. First answer is bank. Second answer is hospital. Third answer is plumber. Fourth answer is farmer. Fifth answer is water. Sixth answer is computer. Seventh answer is cloud. And eighth answer is star. So children, do this as your homework. I will send the do this as a class work. I will send the document of your homework. So see from the document and do your homework and do the class work also. Okay. So that's all for today's work. Thank you and have a nice day.